The resplendent quetzal, one of the most beautiful and sought after birds in the world. It is also called resplendent Trogon. Quetzals are members of the Trogon family, and the family contains 46 species distributed through tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. These vibrantly colored animals live in the mountainous tropical forest of Central America, including Chiapas, Guatemala, Costa Rica, and Panama. The resplendent quetzal is the national bird of Guatemala, and its image is found on the country's flag and coat of arms. It also lends its name to the country's currency, the Guatemalan quetzal. Resplendent quetzals are considered specialized fruit eaters, more specifically wild avocados, although they mix their diet with insect. Males and females are sexually dimorphic, meaning they look different. Male colors tend to be more vibrant. Quetzals are weak flyers. Their known predators include the ornate hawk eagle and golden eagle. They use their powerful beaks to hollow whole nest in rotted trees or stumps. Resplendent quetzal usually live alone when not breeding. When breeding, females lay two pale blue eggs in a nest placed in a hole which they carve in a rotten tree. Male and female have a green body and red breast in common, but the male has a helmet-like crest. The bill is yellow in mature males and black in females. It is classified as near threatened by IUC.